Guys, I got P0339 code for Honda CRV 2012. When you go underneath the car, this is the location for the sensor. One bolt here and one bolt near my finger. And you open this. When you take this black cover off, you will find the sensor here. This is the sensor, and this is the 110 mm bolt. Also, you open it, this bolt, and you take that sensor out. The yellow one is the old part and this is the new part. It's same. We took 3 screws out of there and the longest one goes first. There goes the first bolt. Now I will connect the sensor wires. You will hear a clicking sound this way. After changing the sensor, I can feel the less vibrations. RPMs are also stable. Before, the RPMs like up and down. But engine light is still on. I think it will go away in 1 day or 2. Thanks for watching, guys.